Hey, what's happening everybody? We're going to talk about another combo move we can add on to that strict band row. Okay, this is probably one of my favorite rows because you can get this baby moving and get it going strong and fast. So, what I want you to do, set up for the same strict band row. Is the same. I'm going to step back a little extra this time. Okay, hands are about shoulder width apart, and from here, I'm going to break and fold my hips. My knees are going to stay relatively straight. They're soft, they're not locked out. But I'm going to break in my hips. So I'm going into more of a Romanian deadlift hip hinge position. Hamstrings are lengthened, glutes are lengthened. With this, I want to keep my head up. I don't want my head to fall through my arms. Maybe my glasses will fall off, I don't know. As I reach forward, head is up, chest is proud. Then I'm going to stand, fire the glutes, drive the hips, big strong pull. Okay, and then I'm going to come back, hinging and reaching. Stand and pull, fire the glutes, hinge and reach. Stand and pull, hinge and reach. Okay, so now we're getting the full body hinge and pull, stand and reach, full body row. And we can pick this pace up and get moving and cranking. Keep head, shoulders, and hips in line the whole time. And so I don't lose my glasses, I'm going to hinge and reach, stand and pull. If you want to get into this a little more, take this band, drop it, and anchor it low. Okay, so now we're low, and hinge and reach, stand and pull, get a bigger range of motion, activate those glutes a little more, and get that heart rate cranking. Pick up that pace once you're comfortable with the movement, and get after it, have fun with it. We'll see you soon.